Very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I, Abhijit Nandan Sir, reporting on duty. We are here at NCPL Cricket Ground for the NCPL Premier League Season 14. Today, we are gathered here for the quarter-final between NC Game Changers Blue versus NC Gladiator Reds. This is going to be a very exciting final. Two informed team, two team who lost their previous match of the league, but still very good on paper as well as on the ground. Let's see who is going through to the super finals, semi-finals. We'll see in an hour or so. NC Gladiators have won the toss and they have elected to field first. Two batsmen at the middle from the Game Changers are Deepak Bhumkar, Jonty and Vaibhav Lote, the superstar. Jonty will take the strike. शुभ प्रभात दर्शकों, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है एनसीपीएल क्रिकेट ग्राउंड पर एनसीपीएल टूर्नामेंट सीज़न 14 में। आज का दूसरा मैच क्वार्टर फाइनल 2 एनसी ग्लैडिएटर्स रेड वर्सेस एनसी गेम चेंजर्स ब्लू। थोड़ी सी गेम में रुकावट आई है, कुछ पिच में ख़राबी की वजह से पिच को ठीक किया जा रहा है, तो देरी के लिए माफ़ी चाहूँगा। जल्द से जल्द गेम शुरू होगा। स्टे ट्यून फॉर द लाइव एक्शन। थैंक यू वेरी मच। वेलकम बैक गाइज, वी आर बैक फॉर द लाइव एक्शन। जी हाँ दर्शकों, हम लाईव्ह ॲक्शन के लिए वापस आ गए हैं। आम्ही लाईव्ह ॲक्शनसाठी परत आलो आहे। प्रत्यक्षदर्शी सामना तुमच्यासाठी प्रस्तुत करत आहे एनसी गेम चेंजर्स TV द्वारा। कॉमेंटेटर अभिजित नंदन सर आहे। क्वार्टर फायनल नंबर 2 चा पहिला बॉल फेस करणार आहे जॉन्टी। पहिला बॉल हा याने कट केला पॉईंटच्या दिशेने आणि सरळ फील्डरच्या हातात, नो रन। काफ़ी अच्छी गेंद डाली थी ओपनिंग बॉलर, जिनका नाम आई थिंक सूरज कदम कुछ ऐसा तो भी है। सूरज कदम to Jonty. Jonty tries to cut it and stays to the keeper. Very good ball. The pitch had some variable bounce at the moment. Slightly moisture on the pitch, inside the pitch. It's a red soil, as you can see. So quite a struggle for the batsman at the moment. This is the wide delivery. And with this one, game changers open their account. जी हाँ, जैसे अभिजीत ने कहा कि पिच में थोड़ी नमी की वजह से ये पिच गेंदबाजों को सपोर्ट कर रही है। फ़िलहाल बैट्समैन के लिए काफ़ी दुविधा है खेलने में। Jonty pulls it over the fine leg and it's a boundary. First boundary of the match. First boundary for the Jonty in the quarter final. Game changers open their account with a boundary. Very good shot by Jonty. Deepak Bhumkar, aka Jonty. Suraj Kadam to Jonty. Deepak flicks it to deep mid wicket. Vishal Karle, the gun fielder of the NCPL. But only one run. काफ़ी अच्छी बल्लेबाजी की है दीपक ने अब तक। अभी वैभव लोते स्ट्राइक पे आते हुए, उनकी पहली बार स्ट्राइक लेते हुए कवर की दिशा में उन्होंने उसको बॉल को पंच कर दिया है, लेकिन कोई रन नहीं। खूप सावध असा अप्रोच घेतला आहे इथे गेम चेंजर्सांनी। 7 ओव्हरची मॅच आहे, मी तुम्हाला सांगून देतो आत्ताच। सगळ्या नॉकआउट मॅचेस या 7 ओव्हरच्या आहेत। पहिला ओव्हरचा बहुतेक शेवटचा गेंद, शेवटचा बॉल आणि गेंद एकच असतं, हिंदी आणि मराठी काय। दोन्ही भाषाच आहेत. इथे 1 ओव्हर झालेला आहे आणि स्कोअर झाला आहे 7 रन. मात्र 7 रन. 1 ओव्हरच्या समाप्तीनंतर स्कोअर झाला आहे 7 रन. 0 विकेट, 0 विकेट, 0 विकेट, 0 विकेट. First ball of the second over. Akshay Boy is the bowler. Vaibhav Latte is on the strike. It's over the head. We'll see what umpire has to give. No, nothing. Nothing so far from the umpire. It's a legal delivery. Umpire said something. सगळीच्या सगळी टाकू शकतो. अलाउड आहे इथे. याचा अर्थ काय? याचा अर्थ असा, मी दर्शकांना सांगू इच्छितो की बाउन्सर्स 6 ते 6 बाउन्सर अलाव आहे असं सांगायचं आहे. वैभव लते यांचा असा उत्तुंग असा षटकार लॉंग ऑनच्या दिशेने. ट्रिमेंडस स्ट्राइक फ्रॉम द वैभव लते. गगनचुंबी छक्का. काफ़ी ओवर पेंच गेंद थी, उसको सीमा रेशा के पार ले गए वैभव लते. और एक बार स्ट्राइक पे ये पॉइंट की तरफ कट किया उन्होंने. ये कैच हो सकता था लेकिन ये ड्रॉप फ्रॉम द ग्लैडिएटर. वैभव गॉट द लाइफ. जीवनदान मिलता हुआ वैभव लते को. पिछले मैच में भी वैभव लते को जीवनदान मिला था. उसी दिशा में खेला था शॉट पिछले मैच में भी. इस मैच में भी उसी दिशा में शॉट खेलते हुए और एक जीवनदान मिलता हुआ. और ये 4 रन. कैच तो छूटा ही छूटा लेकिन 4 रन भी मिल गए. जले पे नमक किसे कहते हैं? जले पे नमक छिड़कना. वैभव लते pulls it over the mid wicket for a 6 run. What a shot. He looks in form. He looks in touch. He's smashing the ball outside boundary. He's smashing the ball out of the ground quite easily. Sorry for the disruption. There was some background noise, so I have to stop. ये देखना काफ़ी रोचक होगा कि वैभव लते जीवनदान का कितना फ़ायदा उठाते हैं और ग्लैडिएटर्स को कितना कॉस्टली गिरेगा. So far, Vaibhav Latte looks in good touch. Wow, what a shot! What a flick! What a flick! This could be a 4-run boundary. It's another boundary for Vaibhav Latte. Just give the direction to the ball beside the umpire and to the boundary line. Fielder tries to stop it, but unable to do it. And Game Changers added another 4 run into the score. Very productive over, very productive over for the Game Changers this is. We are still in power play and this could prove very handy to the Game Changers. Vaibhav Latte again lofted into the air over the long off and it's a boundary. Vaibhav Latte is on fire at the moment. He is on fire, boys. Very excellent batting by Vaibhav Latte and very poor bowling so far by Akshay the boy. Here, I think at the end of the 2 overs, score reads 31 run for loss of no wicket. Very good start by Game Changers. Very good start. This is the excellent start. In the 7 over match, you need a start like this. ग्लैडिएटर्स की बॉडी लैंग्वेज थोड़ी ढीली दिखाई देती हुई और उसी तरह देखा जाए गेम चेंजर्स के डगआउट में थोड़ा झूम करके गेम चेंजर्स का डगआउट काफ़ी एनर्जेटिक, काफ़ी एक्साइटिंग नज़र आ रहा है. काफ़ी चेयरिंग हो रही है गेम चेंजर्स के डगआउट की तरफ से. चलिए हम वापस आते हैं गेम पर. तीसरा ओवर चालू होता हुआ. For the third over, Deepak Bhumkar, who is on strike against Suraj Kadam, the left-hand bowler. He tries to pitch it short and Deepak flicks it. Deepak pulls it out of the ground for a 6 run. Massive strike by Deepak Bhumkar. Very good cheering from the Game Changers dugout. Excellent cheering, excellent cheering. Once again, Suraj Kadam to Jonty, Deepak Bhumkar, into the block hole, tries to steal the run, but no run. Very good ball by Suraj Kadam. Excellent comeback after hit for a 6 by Jonty. 6 रन खाल्ल्यानंतर हा असा उत्कृष्ट असा कमबॅक होता त्यांचा, एकदम ब्लॉक होलमध्ये टाकलेला चेंडू. सूरज कदम तो जॉन्टी, परत एकदा जॉन्टी कट्स इट ओवर द पॉइंट and this could be 4. No, very good fielding. There is a chance of run out here. There is some misunderstanding at the moment. I think this should be dead ball by the umpire. Not it should not call a run out. I'll tell you why. Because there's some fielder said he has pushed the ball inside the boundary rope, and but opposition team is saying no, it's not. It's a boundary. I think umpire has to make a decision here. This could be a dead ball, but let's see. According to rules, we need to play. Oh, I think umpire has given a harm, and that's a very, very, very poor decision by the umpire. Very poor decision. Very pathetic umpiring at the moment here. It's umpire responsibility to call the ball dead or not, and he has given run out. And game changers who have started excellently well lost the wicket of Jonty in the terms of run out. Some miscommunication in the middle between Vaibhav and Jonty. Jonty thought it's a boundary, Vaibhav thought it's not. So yeah, he should stay in the game. Let's see. Move on with the game. Vishal Shinde is on strike. Is the new batsman. Flicks it. Punch it. Actually, he punched it. From this angle, it's hardly to tell whether he punched it or flicks it. Only when ball will come to the leg side, we'll say that he has flicked the ball. Otherwise, we'll go with punch it the ball. That's it. Vaibhav Late against Suraj Kadam, which is a very good delivery. It's excellent delivery. Going away from the batsman. Quite a lot of cheering within Gladiators team, as they have sensed some opportunity here with the loss of 1 wicket from the game changers. Vaibhav Late punch it again. Yeah, that was a punch. Back foot punch from Vaibhav Late and steals the 1 run. 3 ओव्हरनंतर स्कोर झाला आहे 40 रन 1 विकेटच्या नुकसानीवर. विशाल कारले हे आता चौथा ओव्हर घेऊन येत आहे. चौथा षटक ते टाकणार आहेत. विशाल कारले फेमस ऑलराऊंडर आहेत. नांदेड सिटीमधले नांदेड सिटी प्रीमियर लीगमधले ते सध्या लीडर बोर्डवर आहेत बॅटिंग आणि MVP मध्ये. विशाल कारले टू वैभव लते. Vaibhav Late tries to pull it to the deep mid wicket, but only 1 run. Number 18 to number 18. Bowler wearing number 18 shirt and batsman also wearing number 18 shirt. The fans of Virat Kohli. 18 versus 18. काय होणार इथे? Cuts it. What a shot! What a lovely shot! Cuts it over the point for a 4 run. Very good technical shot by Vishal Shinde. He is a quite technical player, I must tell you. Vishal Karle to Vishal Shinde. Vishal to Vishal. 18 to 18. Pulls it. This is what a high stakes it is. As you can see, I got the ball here. The match ball is in my hand. Actually, ball came our head only. Vishal Shinde versus Vishal Karle. Again, Into the stands for a youth six. Vishal Shinde is on fire. Back to back sixes. 2 huge sixes by Vishal Shinde against Vishal Karle. And with this 6, game changers register their 50 run inside the 4 over. Very good batting so far by game changers. Quite excitement around the ground for this match. Vishal Shinde again drives that ball to the long off, and they will steal the second run. There's some misfield at the boundary line. Very good running by 2 balls at the middle, Vishal and Vaibhav. It's totally V at the moment. Bowler name is Vishal, batsman name is Vaibhav, batsman name is Vishal. All V's are in the middle. Vishal again smashes down to the ground, outside the ground for a 6 run. A huge 6 by Vishal Shinde, third of the over. What a strike by Vishal Shinde. Excellent batting, powerful hitting, and this end the over. After the end of 4 over, score is around 60 somewhere. थोड़ी चेंजेस होंगी यहाँ पे. एक चेंज करना चाहूँगा मैं. स्कोर झाला आहे आता 4 ओव्हर नंतर 65 रन फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 1 विकेट. अपनी स्लैंग लैंग्वेज में बोला जाए तो एकदम विशाल शिंदे ने पेल दिया है बॉलर को. Another number 18. This is Shubham, who bowls quite fast. He's a right arm fast bowler. To Vaibhav Late. Vaibhav cuts it. This could be, and it's a boundary over the fielder head. Player waiting for the delivery to come to him, and he missed it. And its result is the boundary. It's a 4 run. Another addition of 4 run into the game changer score line. Very good batting so far by Vaibhav Late. बट मला हे समजलं नाही वैभव ते थांबत का बसले बॉल मारल्यानंतर. ते परत एकदा रनआउट झाले असते जर फिल्डर थोडे ॲक्टिव्ह असले असते तर. नेव्हरदलेस 4 रन ॲडेड. वैभव अगेन ट्रायज टू कट इट बट मिस दिस. शॉर्ट ऑफ गुड लेंथ डिलिव्हरी इट इज. शुभम टू वैभव लते once again. Vaibhav goes at the back foot. Another punch over the cover, but very good field this time by the fielder. He jumps to collect the ball and saves the 3 run for his team. खूप चांगलं असं क्षेत्ररक्षण केलं आहे इथे फिल्डरनी डीप पॉईंटवरच्या. बॉल असा अतिशय वेगाने त्यांच्या दिशेने गेला होता, पण त्यांनी जम्प करून तो बॉल अडवला आहे आणि 3 रन वाचवले आहेत. शुभम दिस टाइम टू विशाल शिंदे. Oh, what a strike over the long off, boy. This is a huge 6. ये झाड़ियों में गई गेंद. So far 4 massive strike from Vishal Shinde. Very good batting. Vishal Shinde again on strike. Again over pitch and again over the boundary line. This is some 90-meter 6 by Vishal Shinde. And here comes the Sharad Wallekar, the superstar of NCPL. The Ram Bansode committee member. Star supporter he says. Vishal Shinde at the moment is on fire. He's just dealing with the 6s only. He don't want to run, nothing at all, only 6s. Again pulls it over the boundary line. What he is doing, man, at the moment. Back to back 3 6s for Vishal Shinde. This is extremely outstanding batting by Vishal Shinde. Wow, what a hitting. We are witnessing some magic here. After end of the 5 over, the scoreline lead 88 run for the loss of 1 wicket. Shashi is the bowler, who was honing the wicket keeping duties so far, but now he comes to the ball. Vaibhav Late is on strike. Oh, good ball, stays down actually. बॉल थोडा खाली राहिला, हा कनेक्ट नाही झाला वैभवला त्यांच्या. टू बॅट्समन खूप जोरदार असे हाणामारी करतात सध्या. हाणामारी पिचमध्ये, नॉट बाहेर. बाहेर हाणामारी करावी नाही कधी, नाही तर पोलीस तुम्हाला पकडून घेऊन जातील. पिचवरती हाणामारी कधी पण चांगली, ते पण बॅटनी, आणि तेही चेंडूला मारून, एकमेकांना नाही. शशी टू वैभव लते. ओ, इट्स अ वाईट बॉल. वाईट सिग्नल बाय अंपायर. वैभव थोडे फ्लिक करण्याचा प्रयत्न करत होते फाईन लेगच्या दिशेने मारण्याचा. फाईन लेग ही खूप वाईड ओपन आहे, तुम्ही बघू शकता. फाईन लेगच्या इथे खूप मोठी गॅप आहे फाईन लेग आणि डीप स्क्वेअर लेगच्या फिल्डरमध्ये. शशी परत एकदा वैभव लते यांना. वैभव लते दिस टाइम इन टू द स्टैंड्स. अरे खरबूजे को देख के खरबूजा रंग बदलता है, वैसे ही कुछ यहाँ पे विशाल को देख के वैभव लते भी अपनी हिटिंग कर रहे हैं और गेंद को सीमा रेखा के पार भेज रहे हैं. दिस इज एक्चुअली वेरी क्वाइट गुड क्लीन हिटिंग बाय दिस टू बैट्समैन. नो मिस hit at all. Clean hitting and proper cricketing shot at the moment. Proper cricketing shot. Nothing extravaganza by them. Nothing flashy. Only proper cricketing shot. See the ball, hit the ball. That's it. That's their mantra. I'll tell you. Yeah, that's their mantra. Shashi to Vaibo Late. Over pitch ball. No, this is a short of lane delivery. Vaibo try to pull it once again to clear the boundary line, but only manages one run. So far decent over, if we say. मतलब जसं मॅच चालली होती त्या हिशोबाने खूपच डिसेंट ओव्हर झालेला आहे हा. विशाल शिंदे ऑन स्ट्राइक. विशाल शिंदे पुल्स इट. दिस कुड बी अ बाउंड्री. Oh, sorry, catch opportunity. No, drops it. Shubham drops a sitter. This could be a... What a huge miss by Shubham. So, Gladiator drop Vaibhav Late when he's on 4 or 6, and again Vishal now got the lifeline. Vaibhav Late tries to smack this over the boundary line, but again in the air, and this time fielder catches it. A breakthrough for Gladiator, but after a very good show by these two batsmen, Vaibhav and Vishal. Very good innings by Vaibhav. त्यांनी स्वतःच्या धावसंख्येकडे लक्ष न देता टीमच्या धावसंख्येला अजून वरती नेण्याचा प्रयत्न केला आणि त्यात आपला विकेट गमावला. खूपच अशी उत्कृष्ट इनिंग वैभव लते यांच्याकडून. खूप मस्त इनिंग खेळले वैभव. विशाल अजूनही खेळत आहे. स्ट्राईक ते नॉन स्ट्राईकवर आहेत. आता स्ट्राईकवर आले आहेत प्रवीण जयभाई. 4-3 नंबर 4-3. थाला फॉर अ reason for a Thala. It's the same thing. Praveen Jaibai is on strike. Oh, very good delivery, but it's a wide signal by umpire. Another run added into game changers scoreboard. Quite a very good excitement here at the NCPL cricket ground. As you can see, this look like mini Shivaji Park of Pune. We can term it as. Shashi, who has ball so far, very good over to Praveen Jaibai. Praveen Jaibai missed it. He wanted to clear this ball into over the rope, but he missed it. No run. So after end of 6 over, scoreline is 98 run for the loss of 2 wicket. This is a very good score. I'll tell you, this is a very good score on this pitch. In a 7 over match, if team is already near 100 inside the 6 over, you can say it's a very good score. It's not a mammoth, but it's a very good. Shubham once again into the attack for the last over. This is his second over. Vishal already hit him 4 sixes, continue 4 sixes the last over. Still the Gladiator captain has trust on Shubham. He need to deliver it now. We'll see whether Vishal will deliver for the game changers or the Shubham will have his say. Last over of the inning. Shubham is the bowler, Vishal is the batsman. Vishal pushes this to the cover. This could be a boundary. Yeah, it is a boundary. Oh my god. Vishal just pushed this to the boundary, to the cover, and goes for a 4 run. Quite a good outfield. Vishal is on the fire at the moment, boy. Whatever he touching is going to the boundary or over the boundary. शुभम थोड़ा प्रेशर लेते हुए फुल टॉस बॉल, और ये नो बॉल हो सकता है, और ये नो बॉल ओवर द वेस्ट. अच्छा खेला था बट गुड, वेरी गुड फील्डिंग शॉर्ट थर्डमैन के द्वारा. उन्होंने काफ़ी अच्छा सेव किया. ये कुछ 4 रन मिल सकते थे उनको. अच्छी फील्डिंग. दिस इज अ फ्री हिट नाउ गाइज. विल सी व्हाट विशाल डील्स विद दिस डिलीवरी. What kind of justice will Vishal give this free hit delivery? Vishal Shinde hits it over the long off for a 6 run, and here it's 50 run for Vishal Shinde in the quarter final. He raises his bat. Vishal Shinde. A glorious 50 by Vishal Shinde in the quarter final. The knockout match 50. It's like 100. A golden inning. Vishal Shinde cuts it. This could goes for a third man, but very good fielded. It looks like Vishal wants to play all the 6 ball. And yeah, it's justified also because he's the informed batsman and already scored 54 runs so far within 12-13 deliveries. So that makes sense altogether. Jai Bhai, who's known for running the batsman out, has to be cautious. He can't run out the Vishal. Shubham to Vishal. Vishal tried to pull it for a 4 run. Another boundary by Vishal Shinde. What a strike. जसं मी तुम्हाला म्हटलं होतं, विशालच्या बॅटला बॉल लागला की एक तो 4 रन होते किंवा 6 रन होते. ग्राउंड शॉटवरून 4 रन आणि ओव्हर द बाउंड्रीज 6 रन. नथिंग एल्स. ही इज जस्ट डिलिंग इन द बाउंड्रीज ॲट द मोमेंट. बॉय, super form of Vishal Shinde. Vishal Shinde once again. Oh, what a shot again over the cover. This could be another boundary. No, fielder collects it and batsman steals the 2 run. Very good running by the batsman. Vishal Shinde struggling at the moment. He's dealing with some injuries at the moment. His hammy is giving him some problem for some time now. He's down, crouching it, but he gets up. He's a fighter. Vishal Shinde is a fighter. Last ball of the inning. Vishal pulls it for a 6 run. Last ball of the inning goes over the boundary once again. What a hitting by Vishal Shinde. Excellent hitting by him in the quarter final. And the scoreline rate after 7 over, it's a 121 for the loss of 2 wicket. 121 for the loss of 2 wicket. What a huge and mammoth score Game Changers have put on the board. It's a quite Herculean task for the Gladiators to chase this down. They have a very good batsman, but still it's a very Herculean task. We'll see in a moment. Stay tuned for the second inning. ब्रेक मधले अपडेट देऊ आपण तुम्हाला. थोडं स्कोर लाईनकडे नजर टाकूया आपण. हे बघा, याची गाण थोडं टेक्निकल डिस्ट्रप्शनमुळे स्कोर लाईन रीड नाही होत आहे. इथे अक्षय जाधव यांचं आगमन झालेलं आहे. सो एक इनिंग नंतर गेम चेंजर्सचा स्कोर झाला 121 रन 2 विकेटच्या नुकसानीवर. आणि आपण विचार करतो विशाल शिंदे आणि 17 बॉलमध्ये फक्त 66 रन काढले आहेत. Can you imagine only 66 run inside a 17 ball? That is an absolutely amazing and outstanding inning by none other than number 18 Vishal Shinde. he justifies wearing the number 18. Oh boy, yes, he does, he does. He justified it. Excellent, excellent batting by Vishal Shinde and very good support and start from Vaibhav Late and Deepak Bhumkar, and then at the end from the Jai Bhai. We are back here for the second inning. Game changer storming into the field to defend his target and storm their way into the semi-final. And whereas Gladiator will try to make it back-to-back semi-final, they are the previous champion of the NCPL. So let's see. It's going to be a very exciting match. Going to be an exciting chase as well. Sandeep Kedari at the ground at the moment. Hi Sandeep. काय वाटते जिंकेल ना गेम चेंजर्स? गेम चेंजरचे फाउंडिंग मेंबर अध्यक्ष राजू मराठे यांचे सुपुत्र यश मराठे. Good morning guys, we are back for the second inning. Praveen Jaibai will open the attack for the game changers. Swapnil Zarande and Vishal Karle will open the inning for the Gladiators. First ball of the second inning. Here we go. Full toss to the straight to the mid of fielder. Slightly misfield from the Sagar. And Gladiators stole the 1 run. This could be steal. Sorry, stole. I said stole. That could be steal. Grammatical error from the commentator Abhijit Nandan Sare. Second ball, Jaibai to Vishal. Oh, good ball into the block hole. Cuts it to the third man for a 1 run. Quite a good energy and enthusiasm within a game changers. They have put a very good score on the board to defend it. 122 रन काढणं हे थोडं असं खूप अवघड टास्क आहे आणि त्याच्यामुळे गेम चेंजर्सचे बॉलर ना खूप चांगली ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी आहे डिफेंड करायची. अँड इट्स अ एट अँड एक्सलेंट कॅच बाय विशाल शिंदे बिहाइंड द स्टंप. व्हाट अ बॉल बाय प्रवीण जयबाई अँड व्हेरी गुड ग्रॅब बाय विशाल शिंदे. ही डाइव टू हिज लेफ्ट टू कलेक्ट इट. व्हेरी गुड ग्रॅब, व्हेरी गुड ग्रॅब. Gladiator lost their captain Swapnil Zarande. First breakthrough for game changers. Excellent bowling by Praveen Jaibai. Some fielding chase by captain Amit Holi. And Sharad Pawar is on strike now. Yes, you heard it right. It's Sharad Pawar. Not the Sharad Pawar who lost the election so badly. But it's the batsman Sharad Pawar. He has some muscles. As you can see from his build, he has some muscles. He can clear the boundary easily. Jaibai, fourth ball of this over. And it's a wide ball. Jaibai to Sharad Pawar. Sharad Pawar dancing down the track. This could be a catch, a very good catch. And Suryavanshi collects it. What a catch, boy! This is a huge moment. Excellent catch by Prashant Suryavanshi. There was a chance that he could drop it. Bhumkar, Sagar and Prashant Suryavanshi, all three were underneath the ball, and Suryavanshi, who has the last laugh, he collects it very well. What a catch. Gladiator have lost 2 wickets inside the first over. What a start for the game changers. आणि हा स्टार्ट ग्लॅडिएटरने एक्सपेक्ट नव्हता केला. शुभम ज्यांनी खूप मार खाल्ला आहे ते आता आले आहेत बॅटिंग करायला. जयभाई यांचा ओव्हर. फुल टॉस परत एकदा आणि हा बॉल बाउन्स झाला दीपक नेमाडे यांच्या वरतून. 4 रन. थोडा टफ होता दीपक नेमाडे यांच्यासाठी पण ठीक आहे. गेम चेंजर नीड टू अवॉइड सम मिस्टेक लाईक दिस इफ दे वांट टू डिफेंड दिस टोटल. No mistakes are allowed at the moment, at this juncture of this tournament and the game as well. Praveen Jaibai once again to Shubham. Oh, very good delivery, very good delivery. What a ball by Praveen Jaibai, and that's the over. After end of 1 over, it's a loss 6 run for a loss of 2 wicket. Very productive over from the Praveen Jai bhai. Player having some issues with this delivery, but I'll tell you, umpire decision is the last decision. All players should respect it. You should respect the umpire decision, whatever it is. I mean, it's a poor umpiring also, we need to respect it. Pathetic umpiring also, we need to respect it. As yesterday only, on the first day of India vs Australia match, KL has been given not out by on-field umpire, but overturned by the TV umpire. That was actually not out, and that was a very pathetic umpiring. Let's come into this game. Deepak Bhumkar will bowl the second over for the game changers, and Vishal Karle will be on strike. Jaunty to Vishal Karle. This could be 6. A short pitch delivery by Deepak Bhumkar, aka Jaunty, and Vishal pulls it over the deep square leg for a 6 run. Another 6 run, ball comes straight to us. Another short pitch delivery, another 6 by Vishal Karle. Deepak struggling at the moment. He also falls during his run up. वो गिर गए थे अपने रन के दौरान, उसकी वजह से ये गेंद और शॉर्ट पिच हो गई और 6 रन का इजाफा ग्लैडिएटर के स्कोर में. Oh, good ball. It's a full toss delivery, and Vishal Karle meets it, but very good ball by Deepak Bhumkar. Very good comeback after hit for 2 sixes, back-to-back 2 sixes. Very good comeback by Deepak Bhumkar. Another short pitch gain, and this could be a 4 run. Vishal Karle dealing with boundaries at the moment. So far, very poor bowling from Jaunty. Yeah, it's a poor bowling so far, and Vishal quite rightly utilizing all those deliveries. दीपक भूमकर परत एकदा विशाल कार्ले यांच्या वर्सेस, and he punch it through the cover for 4 run. Deepak Bhumkar under pressure. Vishal Karle quite rightly utilizing the power play. He already scored 20 runs inside this over, second over of power play. Very good comeback by Gladiator and Vishal Karle. After what happened in the first over, they lost 2 wickets very cheaply. 2 informed batsmen and 2 massive strikers, Jarande and Sharad Pawar. And now Bhumkar to Vishal Karle for his last delivery. Oh, very good block hole. Vishal flicks it for a 1 run. Very good batting by Vishal. And after the end of 2 over, its scoreline is somewhere around 28 runs for the loss of 2 wickets. I'd like to give some update about the Border Gavaskar Trophy. India versus Australia first test match happening at the Perth. India is sitting at the moment very comfortably for 275 runs for the loss of only 1 wicket. Yes, you heard it right, for the loss of only 1 wicket. No one would have expected this kind of batting performance from India after what they have did versus New Zealand. Yashasvi Jaiswal, the rising superstar of India, has registered his 100 and he's on 141 run. And here comes the Mahesh Bhamre, the coach Mahesh Bhamre. Welcome Mahesh Bhamre.
Thank you very much.
महेश भामरे, तुम्हाला काय वाटतं मॅच कशी चालू आहे? गेम चेंजर्सनी खूप
चांगला मस्त स्कोर केला.
हो,
सगळ्यांनी चांगली बॅटिंग झाली. विशाल, वैभव, दीपक सगळे मस्त छान खेळले आज.
विशाल शिंदेने खूप अशी उत्कृष्ट अशी फलंदाजी केली.
जबरदस्त केली.
वाखाणण्याजोगे फलंदाजी होती.
शब्दामध्ये सांगण्यासारखं नाही ते.
करेक्ट एकदम करेक्ट बोलला तुम्ही.
तशीच त्याची आता बॉलिंगवर सुद्धा तशीच बॉलिंग होणार आहे.
हो,
आणि जय भाईने सुरुवातीला चांगली मस्तपैकी बॉलिंग केली, 2 विकेट घेतला त्याने.
Yes, yes, yes. Jay Bhai bowled a very good over, first over, very
Yes,
good
yes.
first over. 2 wicket inside the first over.
येस.
Now we are on to the third over. Game changers need the wicket of Vishal Karle. Vishal Shinde to Vishal Karle. Oh,
Lost the
hit
ball.
tight.
Only bowling. What a ball. विशाल वर्सेस विशाल.
18 आहे हवेचा ग्राउंडवर माहिती का तुम्हाला मिडलवर बॅट्समनने विअरिंग 18 नंबर टी शर्ट, नॉन स्ट्रायकर ऑल्सो 18 आणि बॉलर ऑल्सो 18.
What a
कोइन्सिडन्स. इथे तिकडे 18.
जर्सी नंबर आसेम.
विशाल कारले ओव्हर द लॉंग ऑन फॉर अ ह्यूज
Very
6.
nice shot.
Very huge 6 by Vishal Karle. Game changer need wicket of Vishal Karle at the moment.
Yeah.
खूप चांगल्या फॉर्ममध्ये दिसत आहे विशाल कारले सध्या आणि खूप चांगली अशी हिटिंग करत आहे.
ही विकेट गेली तर ग्लायडर भरपूरच असा मला वाटतं
दबाव होईल.
प्रेशर येईल
हम्म.
आणि गेम चेंजरला खरंच या विकेटची अत्यंत गरज आहे.
हो ते आहे. गेम चेंजरला खूप गरज आहे विकेटची सध्या, ते विशाल कारले यांच्या विकेटची.
हो.
विशाल शिंदे हे आपल्या फुल फ्लेजमध्ये नाही सध्या. ही इज डिलिंग विथ द इंजुरी बट स्टील ही इज गिविंग हिज ऑल हार्ट फॉर हिज टीम. गेम चेंजर्स. गुड बॉल इन टू द ब्लॉक होल and nicely played by Vishal Karle too for the 1 run. Very sensible batting at the moment by Vishal Karle.
कॅच घेण्यात आले. सुपर डुपर लवली कॅच होते.
हो
विशाल शिंदेने मस्त कॅच घेतला होता. सूर्याने अप्रतिम कॅच घेतला. अनएक्सपेक्टेड कॉट होता ॲक्च्युली.
हो
आणि बाहेरचे प्रेक्षक बघतोय काय होईल, कारण ती धाकधूक लागली होती.
हो 3 प्लेयर एकाच ठिकाणी आले होते, तो कॅच मिस झाला असता.
कॉट कॅच.
या मागच्या बॉलवर आपण मागचा बॉल पण सुरेख टाकला होता विशाल शिंदे यांनी. ब्लॉक होलमध्ये होता. शुभम यांनी डिफेंड केला आणि 1 रन घेतला. विशाल शिंदे टू विशाल कारले अगेन into the block hole and this could be wicket. This could be wicket. Game changers appealing it. Umpire refuses. Umpire टस से मस नहीं हो रहे. वेरी गुड बॉल बाय विशाल शिंदे टू विशाल कारले. गेंद ऐसी घुसली ना पिच से जैसे कि मानो ऐसा स्नेक कोबरा. Last ball of the over, 1-6 and then only singles from this over. Vishal Karle pushes this to the cover and very good field by Deepak Nemade. Very good fielding.
Backup.
Very good fielding. But I think he injured himself there. No, it's all fine at the moment. Very good fielding. After the end of 3 over, score line is hold on for more.
गेम चेंजरने एवढे रन केले तर क्रिक हिरो जे ॲप आहे ते लोडच होत नाही, ओपनच होत नाही लवकर.
अरे वा, गेम चेंजर्सचा इफेक्ट इकडे तिकडे सर्वत्र. ड्यू टू सम टेक्निकल difficulties we are unable to tell you the score at the moment. I think score is somewhere around 35-36 run after the end of 3 over.
Ball.
And Suryavanshi is coming to bowl the 4th over. Suryavanshi,
I think so bold.
Muthia Muralidharan of the NCPL to Vishal Karle. Vishal tries to scoop this over the short fine leg and missed it. Very good ball by Prashant Suryavanshi. Prashant Suryavanshi to Vishal Karle. Wow, what a shot over the cover for a 6 run. Excellent shot. Game changers need Vishal Karle wicket very badly. He is sitting between game changers and the semi-final spot. Yes, that's it. Oh, very good ball by Prashant Suryavanshi. Mahesh sir, what
Yes.
do you think? If we take a wicket of Vishal Karle, game changers will storm into the semi-final, correct?
Yes, right. विशालची विकेट गेल्यानंतर गेम चेंजरला भरपूर चान्स आहे, कारण आता मला वाटतं यांच्याकडे बॅट्समन नसावेत.
आणि स्कोर लाईन प्रेशर विल ऑल्सो कम. अगेन अनदर पंच थ्रू द कवर फॉर 4 रन. व्हेरी गुड शॉट अगेन बाय विशाल कारले. दीपक निमाडे मिस दिस बॉल. प्रशांत सूर्यवंशी to Vishal Karle. He tries to smack this over the long on and very good field. Very good field by Praveen Sarve. Very good field. Only 1 run. Prashant Suryavanshi to Shubham. Bowling hai. This is a very good ball. Shubham was sitting at the non-striker end from the last 2 overs. So I think he lost his touch. Praveen Jeba into the attack for his second over. This is the 5th over of the match. Vishal Karle again cuts it over the point line and this is a boundary again. 17 बॉल 70 पाहिजे आहे इथे ग्लॅडिएटर यांना. हा आउट आहे. दिस इज अ विकेट. इट्स अ विकेट. शॉर्ट पिच गेम.
हीच विकेट गेम चेंजरला हवी होती. आणि अशा पद्धतीने गेम चेंजरवाले किती मस्त जोरात होशात त्याच्यात उत्तेजित होऊन ते आपले हे व्यक्त करतायत,
उत्साह व्यक्त
करतायत. ज्या विकेटची त्यांना अपेक्षा होती ती विकेट त्यांना मिळालेली आहे.
जयभाई द स्ट्राईक बॉलर फॉर द गेम चेंजर. 3rd wicket for him. Pitch it short and Vishal tried to pull it but cuts it straight to the keeper. Vishal Shinde collects it very nicely.
16 बॉलमध्ये 70 रनची त्यांना आवश्यकता आहे.
Correct.
काय वाटतं अभिजित तुम्हाला?
I think it's very difficult to chase 70 run inside the 16 ball. Yes. But it's a game of cricket. Anything can happen. Game changers not to lift their foot from the pedal. They need to apply some more pressure on Gladiator.
मला वाटतं मॅच जिंकल्यानंतर नांदेड सिटीचा बच्चा गेम चेंजर बोलेगा.
करेक्ट. ये आपने सही बोला. ये बात तो आपने सही बोली है.
ऐसा ही होना चाहिए.
करेक्ट.
अरे काय
जय भाई once again. This is the lefty batsman. Oh, this is a good shot. Short pitch gain and over the boundary line.
Very nice shot.
Very good shot by Suraj Kadam. .3 over and score line is 58 run. नहीं. Jay Bhai to lefty batsman Suraj Kadam and it's a 4 boundary. 2 back-to-back boundaries, 1-6 and 1-4. Gladiator after the loss of Vishal Karle wicket tried to make a comeback here. They don't want to lose the momentum which Vishal Karle has generated for them. On the other hand, I think game changers should not lose hopes. They should apply some more pressure because they are within the grasp of victory. Praveen Jaibai to Suraj. Oh, this is again outstanding shot. What a massive hit over the deep square leg boundary for a 6 run. 3 back-to-back boundaries. 3 back-to-back boundaries.
विशाल शिंदेने असे बॅक टू बॅक 6 मारले होते.
This is a catch and it's a wicket. It's a wicket as I told you. Ball him to the offside and he will throw you a wicket. Very good catch by Sagar Fegde. Very good catch. And Jay Bhai has his 4th wicket. Game changers again back into the game. Mahesh Bhamre, what's your opinion?
Wow, very nice back to come to game. I like a bowling and what a catch Mr. Sagar Fegde.
Yes.
Really.
खूप असा सुंदर असा झेल घेतलाय सागर फेगडे यांनी.
पूर्ण गेम मध्ये आलेली आहे.
व्हेरी गुड कॅच बाय सागर फेगडे.
उत्तर देतो. Good morning.
I'll tell you one fact. Okay, I'm a Game Changers team member, and it's quite hard and to suppress my feeling when my team is performing very well. So, भूलचूक माफ असावी. Praveen Save into the attack to Shubham. This is a slower delivery. I'll tell you, he's a very good slower ball bowler. Batsman unable to pick it from his hand. And Shubham, he's a very good batsman, but what is happening with him at the moment is he's sitting at a non-strike rate from the last 3 over. From the last 3 over. From the last 3 over, and it's a run-out opportunity. And Gladiator has lost a wicket. I don't know whether it's a run-out or caught behind. No idea. Harakiri at the moment from the Gladiators. That's the terminology. Harakiri at the moment. Game changers nearing to the victory. 10 ball, 54 runs. महेश भामरे 10 बॉलमध्ये 54 रन पाहिजे आहे.
Impossible.
प्रत्येक बॉल बाउंड्रीच्या मागे बाहेर पाहिजे.
प्रत्येक एव्हरी बॉल.
ईच अँड एव्हरी बॉल करेक्ट.
नॉट अ पॉसिबल. ही गोष्ट शक्य नाही आहे.
आणि शुभमचा जो
विकेट गेली.
another slow delivery. Sagar is there, but it's a boundary. It's a boundary.
ठीक आहे रिलॅक्स. नाचत नाचत ते जावं लागणार.
Actually, Gladiators end the misery of Shubham, who was unable to. He has very poor game. Akshay and another boundary. This is another boundary by Akshay. Very good shot. 8 runs came in this over from the 4 ball, and Gladiator needs 46 run from 8 ball. 46 run from 8 ball is a quite impossible target at the moment. Praveen Save. Akshay lofts it in the air. Oh, Sagar tries to collect it. And it's a boundary. Another boundary for the Gladiator. 42 from the 7. सावेनी हा बॉल डॉट काढला पाहिजे म्हणजे मॅच गेम चेंजर जिंकेल. This could be a catch over the third man boundary, but very good field by Sahil. And only 2 runs. So now equation is 6 over 82 run, and Gladiator need 40 run from the 6 ball, which is quite impossible, correct?
Only win the match game changer.
हे फक्त पॉसिबल होऊ शकतं तेव्हा जेव्हा कोणी नो बॉल किंवा एक्स्ट्रा टाकेल तरच. अदरवाईज गेम चेंजर्स हे सेमीफायनलमध्ये प्रवेश करत आहे आणि धूमधडाक्यात प्रवेश करत आहे. सूर्यवंशी. Shashi is on the strike and it's a boundary. No, it's Akshay on the strike and it's a boundary. Shashi is on the strike. Okay, sorry. Shashi is on the strike. सूर्यवंशी आपला दुसरा वार घेऊन येत आहे इथे. जास्त प्रेशर नको घ्यायला इथे सूर्यवंशीनी. We need game changers need just to win. No pressure of net run rate or nothing else. Just to win. Shashi over the fine leg pulls it for a 4 run. महेश भामरे बाउंड्री विल नॉट हिट गेम चेंजर्स. एका बाउंड्रीनी 2 बाउंड्रीनी फरक नाही पडणार.
मला असं वाटत नाही काय फरक पडणार आहे. एक दे डॉट बॉल गेला तरी मॅच ऑलमोस्ट फिनिश
झालेलीच आहे. मॅच ऑलरेडी फिनिश झालीच आहे.
आहे तरी आपण आपला गेम खेळावा.
करेक्ट.
एवढं लूज वगैरे आपल्याला चालणार नाही.
करेक्ट. इट्स अ फुल टॉस अँड फॉर अ मॅसिव्ह 6 बाय शशी.
झाली 3-18
नाही 3-22 पाहिजे. 3 बॉल 22 रन 1 डॉट बॉल अँड इट्स अ मॅच ऑफ गेम चेंजर. दिस कुड बी अ कॅच, अ सिम्पल कॅच इन टू द हँड्स ऑफ वैभव लते अँड इट्स अ मॅच फॉर गेम चेंजर्स. व्हॉट अ कॅच बाय वैभव लते. व्हेरी गुड कॅच. अँड सूर्या पिक्स हिज फर्स्ट विकेट. Game changers near the victory. They are storming into the final.
I think so second time.
Praful Biswal, the man who manhandled the ball. Sandeep Kedari.
And Junior Kedari.
Oh, Junior Kedari was also there. Prashant Suryavanshi, second last ball of the match. Oh, this could have been a stumping chance. But
आय थिंक सो मला वाटतं सेकंड आपण सेमीफायनलला जातो या
yes, back-to-back semi-final for the game changers. It is an extraordinary achievement. Now our target is to the final.
यस झूम करून ते जल्लोष कर
And it's a win for game changer. Excellent win. Game changers storming into the first semi-final. Back-to-back semi-final for the game changers. They have defeated the defending champions NC Gladiators Red by quite outstandingly. One-sided match this was. Only Vishal Karle was the barrier in between game changers and their
चांगली
way into the semi-final.
इंटरेस्टेड झाली
Yes.
थोडक्यासाठी ते मॅच वगैरे जे आहे मला वाटतं थोडेच रन कमी पडले जर विशाल कारले राहिले असते तर गेममध्ये काहीतरी बदल होऊ शकला असता
मजा आली असती अजून.
मजा आली असते त्यांनी पण चांगली मस्त बॅटिंग केली त्यांचे ॲप्रिशिएशन करायला पाहिजे आणि
It was a very good match.
मॅच अँड थँक्स अगेन्स्ट गेम चेंजर्स
Okay. So with this, we are signing off from this quarter-final number 2. We'll see you again in the semi-final. Thank you, Mahesh Bhamre.
अँड कॅमेरामॅन थँक्यू व्हेरी मच
And here is the cameraman and commentator
Commentator,
Abhijit Nandan Sare. See you soon.